Hi. This is Nesca and the brush.
Yep.
He's the recorder, so yeah, you can't see him.
Yeah.
Today, we are going to be doing an unboxing of Pokemon cards. If you couldn't tell by my outfit. Yeah, this is one of the newer sets, Elite Trainer Box from Sword and Shield. I have no idea what the rare cards would be. It's obviously anything that's the Rainbow Hollow and the Golden cards are usually the ones that you always want. But yeah, I've been getting Pokemon cards forever. Personally, the whole idea behind this was like, everyone else is doing it, and it's like, I really want Pokemon cards. Because I have a problem.
Yes, you do.
But ultimately, I made a deal. I said, well, we'll try an unboxing.
If I buy the 50.
You buy my... Yeah.
Alright.
Make up for last week's absence of the Cozy Cow podcast.
Which we'll be doing tonight.
We'll have a Cozy Cow unboxing of Pokemon cards. We bought these at our local vintage stock because Walmart and Target suck. Yeah, Pokemon cards you cannot find in stores anymore. You have to go to like specialty places.
Look at the inside of the box.
I know, I love that. We've gotten Elite boxes before. This is the first time we're actually recording, so yay. Trying to open this without tearing it. Oh, that is beautiful. Listen, we got the Galarian Moltres, Galarian Zapdos, Galarian Articuno, okay, that's Spectier and Kelderex riding him, and then Glacier and Kelderex riding him, the newest. Mythical? Are they mythical? Mythical or legendary? Someone tell me. From the expansion of the Sword and Shield game. Like, I'm very fluent in Pokemon names, but like the newer ones kind of go by me a bit. So if I'm saying either of these guys' names wrong, I'm sorry. But yeah, this is really beautiful, and I know what's going to happen with this. This is going to turn into coasters. Because that is nice. That's another reason why I wanted to buy this, is because of the beautiful artwork that can be used to make some really nice resin pieces. Let's see. Ooh. That is a lot of nice cards. Ooh. I want to get... Let's see. Personally for me, I want to get the Galarian birds. I love them. I love how the Galarian Zapdos looks like a chocobo. Little spiky chocobo. But yeah. Oh, you could get Celebi. Oh yeah. Oh, I never saw that new Pokemon movie with Celebi.
I think it's on Netflix right now.
We need to watch that. Zyrude was the new legendary in that one. The weird dark grass monkey type. But yeah, in the movie it has a shiny Celebi. I just remembered that. Well, I remembered it because I was looking at it. So yeah. Aw, they got sheepies.
Sleepy sheepy.
Sheepies.
Sleepy sheepy.
I love Mareeps.
Mareeps.
Mareeps. They better also have Wooloo. Ah, there's the Galarian Slow King.
Hmm.
Huh. A lot of nice, cool-looking cards. Dude, look at that full art.
Huh.
That's like a whole, scene kind of thing.
Would you lose your S if you found that?
I don't know if that's the rarest one. Oh, it's got a little deerling.
Hmm.
I think that's the winter variant of deerling. Aw. Well, it makes sense because it's kind of like a winter scene there. But, I'm not sure if he's in this set. But one of the main reasons why I got one of the newer sets is because I'm on the hunt for Professor Willow for the Pokemon Go. Oh yeah, see, these are the gold cards.
Hmm.
Dude, gold shiny Voltorb.
Heh.
See, gold shiny Bronzong and gold shiny Snorlax. I've not found a shiny Snorlax in Pokemon Go. I do have a shiny Voltorb though. I said, did I call him Voltorb? Oh, please hit me. Did I call him Voltorb? He's Electrode.
Heh.
It's the Evolve form. No, I didn't want to make stupid mistakes like that. No.
Mistakes were made.
Oh, and I love the trainer rainbows. Yeah, okay, let's get on with this.
Yep. Says
Box. They always make these so nice.
Yep.
More. Oh yeah, how to play the game. Has Pokemon really changed much in how their game mechanics work? I haven't played in a while, but the last...
Didn't you tell me Yu-Gi-Oh changes their game?
Oh my god, Yu-Gi-Oh!
I'm sorry, I'm not much
Oh,
in the card game,
It's
so
another one of these.
yeah. Sorry, I'm not much into the card game stuff, so I don't know. But you told me that Yu-Gi-Oh constantly changes the rules of their game.
With each generation, it does change a lot. Ah.
So make another one of those.
Yay! Because this is my favorite coaster I've made, and it's because of that piece. I'm losing my ears. So yay! More art material. Oh. Okay, so it comes with the coins. I have no idea where this camera's focusing.
I'm focusing. I got it.
I like that they're nice hard plastic. I remember back in the day they were just the little cardboards. Ooh. I love these dice. Time to open you. These are nice. See, dice in Pokemon basically used for damage counters. There's no real, unless it's like a heads or tails kind of thing, but usually you could just use a coin, but you can use a dice too, I guess. That's lovely. I like the crown. But yeah, these dice are beautiful. I love that icy look. Oh, does that mean we need to find the Spectier box? I'm unbeatable. So this is the ice horse. Does that mean they have a ghost horse one too? Oh yeah, ghost type.
Ghost type, which I still need to find for my research.
Pokemon Go.
We got dogs trying to kill each other.
Fancy box. Stop that.
Stop, Moosh. Stop.
And a bunch of energy cards that no one needs ever. I like to cut them up and turn them into some art stuff, personally. Because if you've gotten your very first pack of Pokemon cards, you probably have more than enough energies to last you a lifetime.
You can't give away energy cards.
I am keeping the code cards, so no, you can't have them. And then we got some nice little dividers for your box. Trust me, I'm gonna need this. I have too many Pokemon cards. nice little I can't talk. Little card sleeves. Why was I going to call them holders? Narp. Let's see. If I remember correctly, you need 60 cards in your deck. Aw. Oh, that is lame sauce. Ugh. What happened? Pokemon, why? The quality of these sleeves are very cheap.
Cheap?
Yeah. They do not feel nothing like the Sun and Moon boxes that I have. They feel cheap. Ugh. Ugh. Blech. Anyway, moment of truth. We got our packs. They're all from the same set. Yay. I am so sick of evolutions sneaking their way into every thing of Pokemon cards. I am sick of evolutions. You get nothing good from evolutions. It's like, I already have all these games. I bought these cards back when I was a kid. Let's see, what you got? Galarian Zapdos, Galarian Articuno, Pony, there's another Zapdos, Birdie.
Which one should we start with?
I'm doing the doubles. I'm kind of weird like that. Let's see, I'm gonna do you. Let's do Pony. Go for that. Alright. Let's see what we pull. Also, I want to be really careful opening these packs because I like the artwork on the fronts. Again, make for good art pieces. I remember professionals, they they do it so you don't see the first card, but I don't know, I'm not professional. Okay, so we got a Yamask. Galarian? Yeah, Galarian. It says on the fucking card. Why do I have to second guess that? Sunny Cast Form. It's like that, claymation look art style. Normal cast form. Looks like it's made out of, yarn. Let's see, Ladybug. God, I do not know how that camera's positioned.
I can see it from here, it's fine.
Okay. Ladybug. Golett.
You're dead center.
Okay, cool. There's not much of my... Ooh. Got a nice little score bunny. Reverse hollow. Single strike. Not sure what that means. Is that like a new mechanic in them? What does single strike do? Someone tell me. Galarian Surfetched. Does it really need to be called Galarian? Because Surfetched is new. Ooh. That steel energy is beautiful. Oh yeah, I failed to realize that the new energies have that little energy looking shiny there. That's cool. And let's see, Expedition Uniform, nice little trainer card. Look at the top 3 cards of your deck and put them on top of your deck in any order.
I just came up with an idea for your energy cards. If you cut a section out, you know the mold you got for the light switches?
Uh-huh. Oh, that would be fun.
Technically, it's energy.
Yeah, cute. Old Cemetery. Hey, something again to go with dark, ghost types. Well, psychic, because ghost type doesn't exist in the card game. Whether any player attaches an energy card from their hand to one of their non-psychic Pokemon, put 2 damage... Oh, that's pretty good. If you're running a nice ghost deck. Or psychic deck, or whatever you want to call it. We got a Raboot. get my card. I don't even use them. I have like so many code cards that just kind of sit there doing nothing.
What can you use them for?
Oh, they're for the online card game thing. I got like so many. I just I don't know. I don't play it. I did, but then I just don't anymore. I don't know. Pack number 2. 2 of 8. Nah. Let go. See right here.
Rip that thing open.
No. I told you I want to preserve the artwork because these will make really nice pieces of something.
I'll put them over here for you.
Porygon. Heracross. Single strike. What is Strangle Strike? Is that like a new mechanic? What the fuck's a rapid spin? Sobble. Look, I know I'm open Pokemon cards, but I'm still not child for kids. We are not for kids here.
We are not for kids.
We're not for kids. Inkay. Rapid spin. Why does that make me think of Beyblade? Another Score Bunny, single strike. Ooh, reverse Lapras. Oh, she's pretty. I like that Lapras. Single strike of Abomasnow. Oh, psychic energy. Dude, don't give me energies. You gave me a butt ton already.
You got art pieces.
Huh. Dark Whirlipede.
Hmm.
I think they were usually psychic type. I don't remember names of people. So that guy. Lyron. Can I have my code card? So there's that. Galarian Zapdos. Chop, chop. Chop, chop. Yum! Ah! Fine, I'll open you from the butt. This card does not want to open.
Rip into it. Tear it open.
No.
Yep, I got a knife.
No, I got nails. Oh. No, don't ruin. Get a chance to win. I'm on my way to victory. Pokemon, I could be a champion if I trust in me. I'm on a master quest. The whole world to see. I believe gonna be the very best. That's all I got to do is believe in me. Love the Pokemon music. The chubby squirrel. Squarvit? I don't know. I hate it.
You hate it?
I hate that squirrel. I am not learning your name. Diglett. Diglett. Trio. Another Golett. Deerling. Winter Deerling. We're trying to catch summer ones.
They haven't come up with a winter one.
Yeah, we have winter. We have all of them now.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah. And Sneasel. Oh, Old Cemetery with the reverse hollow. Shiny. Ooh. Okay. What the fuck happened to you?
What?
I got a defect card.
Worth more than...
Not really. It's Sandaconda, but if you look closely, it's been edged. Like when they sealed this pack, maybe that's why it was so hard to open it. They sealed it right over the edge of this card. So yeah, it has a little texture there because of that. You can see a little better on the back maybe. So yeah, the Sandaconda got crimped.
There we go.
So yeah, that's what happened to him. Looks really nice.
I wonder how they pack these cards. Like they just
It's probably like some kind of automated machine thingy. Got a energy uniform. Old cemetery again. Really? I hate that. I like how the shiny card was the only card that got crimped. Everything else...
makes me think they must have them, and then have a random person that puts them in every now and then.
Maybe.
I'm just curious how they do that.
But yeah, that Sandaconda... it's probably not worth much anyway, because I'm pretty sure it's just a basic poop card. But yeah, it got crimped. Which I'm pretty sure makes it worth less. Or does it make it worth more since it's a factory error? I think the only factory errors that are ever worth anything is if it's like a misspelling.
Or a misprint.
Yeah.
I've seen that with coins. Like, if they, like, stamp them wrong, they go up in value like crazy.
Yeah. But I'm not sure if that counts with the crimping edge. So we got a Galarian Farfetch'd. Through.
Looks like Mushi.
No, it doesn't. That's a poodle. Venipede. Oh, look, Grace. It's not seal, it's Cepheel.
It's a fat, round thing.
It's feel. I don't care for Crab Roller. Boop. Ladybug. Poop. Poopy cards. Bomb of Snow. Green Energy. Agatha.
Agatha?
Agatha. She's the ghost type. Like... what season is she from? Someone tell me. I don't remember. She's one of the Elite Four from some season. Oh, that's an interesting looking trainer card. Yeah, they did add a new mechanic, rapid spin and strike thing. Just leave it alone, Pokemon.
Don't try to be Yu-Gi-Oh.
Don't be Yu-Gi-Oh. God, Yu-Gi-Oh got so complicated. I can't even touch Yu-Gi-Oh cards anymore. Boop. So far, we just got a crimp Sandaconda. Boop, boop, boop. That's probably why it was so hard to open, because that Sandaconda was like, hey, I'm stuck. Venipede.
Again.
I am not seeing... I want a Wooloo. Where's my Wooloos?
Where's Professor Oak we've been looking for?
Professor Willow.
Willow.
Might not be this set. I don't know if this is the newest set. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be in the... unless it's not out yet. I don't know. No, it should be, because people are showing pictures of him. I want Professor Willow. There's that Lapras again. Keep getting the same cards. Here's something new, Blitzel. It is... he looks very distressed. He is stuck on an iceberg.
Yeah.
How did he get there? Poor thing. Aeron. And I will carry... ooh, shiny. Fog Crystal. Streaming every time. With the rest of me, I challenge every time. Zangoose. Stream keeps us together. Lightning Energy. Sweeteen. Steenie. What the fuck was I calling you?
Sweet tea.
Sweet tea. That's a JoJo character.
Karen?
Her name's Karen. Am I saying that right?
Yeah, Karen.
Oh. Really? It's Karen.
The Karen, no.
Some gloves. Keeps us together. Still getting poop from a $50 box. You just got a defect Sandaconda. Don't tell me there's another defect in you because you are not opening. There. Yum, yum, yum. Clabberpush. Keep it easy. Grookey. Sneasel again. Weeble.
Weeble.
Weeble. Oh, he's training with the hair across. That's cute. And yes, I know it's Weedle. I just wanted to say Weeble. Farfetch'd again. Shiny Venipede. The Trio. What the fuck's going on in that? It looks so weird.
I don't know.
The trio became a ghost type. Rugged helmet. Ugh. Abominable.
Abominable.
Ugh.
It is ugly.
Yes, it is. It's just doctor.
Just doctor.
Just doctor. You climb one more step up ladder. It's a whole new world. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch 'em all. The best that you can.
Oh, you got that again.
Clabberpush. Cast form Snowy. Hatini. Whatever, it's a hat. Add-on. Oh no, I got a crimped one. I can see it. There's Rolts.
And it's probably the special one.
It ate the reverse Beedrill. See? Crimped. Pokemon's getting sloppy. Oh, Ampharos!
A shiny Ampharos.
Fire Energy. Agatha again. This thing again. Tree. Darf. We're down to the last pack. Let's see what's called last pack magic. It's a Kuno. I'm a Kuno. Give me Kuns. Nose itches. Stop being hard to open. This has been a very sad Pokemon card. $50. You give me nothing.
I gave you energy.
I don't want your energy.
You take my energy.
No, I'm not Goku. It's a deer. It's a Delibird. Bird. Larvesta. Sheep!
You got your sheep.
I like sheep. Heracross. Boobies. Oh, Corona.
Corona.
Yes, the Corona. Porygon 2 and Kakuna and Flannery. Yeah, we got Bumpkus. We got a crimped card and Bumpkus. Yeah, it's got a lot of fun art projects to work on here. But yeah, I guess that will be the end of our boxing. Thank you for joining us. Bye!
Bye.